Alrighty, too. This is the air filter replacement on a 2014 Toyota Camry SC. First step is to hit that lever that's coming up, pop in the hood. Right, you're gonna walk around to the front and find a location of the engine bay, pop the hood, and locate the air filter housing, which is located that black square box right there where I'm pointing. Once you locate it, you're gonna pop the tabs on the right, those big metal clamps, pull it towards your body. All right, pop it, and then you're gonna lift up and pull out, and boom, there's the air filter. You're gonna pull the old air filter out, get the new one, and you're gonna place it inside the air filter housing. On the top left hand corner, there'll be a pointed end. Make sure that pointed end goes towards the firewall where I'm pointing at right now. Make sure that goes right there. All right, you're gonna put it inside the housing nice and snug. And don't worry about the dirty housing. It'll be clean. Don't worry about it. Just make sure it's seated nicely. All right. Put the cover back down. On the end is some tabs and some openings. Make sure those tabs line up with the opening, and you're going to slide it through the openings into place. Once it's seated nicely, you're going to go to the right hand side where those tabs are and snap them back in place. Snap. That's the first one. Snap the second one in place until it's seated nicely. Snap. All right, and it's just that easy. That's how you replace the air filter in a 2014 Toyota Camry. Please, at the end of the video, like, comment, subscribe.